Hello, I'm David Rasowsky. I'm going to be coming down to the Baton Rouge Improv Festival, and when I say coming down, what I mean is going from the front room, walking down the hallway, entering this room, and teaching from here. I'm going to be teaching the workshop that I call Pinpoint Your Point of View. At the beginning of every scene, I express my point of view and my partner expresses their point of view. When we recognize what each other's points of view are, we start with a really solid foundation, a foundation that will take us anywhere we want to go. When you have a strong foundation at the beginning of a scene, you've got confidence, you can explore, and you can make surprising choices. And I have discovered that this is the easiest way to create great scenes. I think that you will feel that way too. You might even walk away and say, I didn't think it could be this easy. So why don't you join us? Sign up quickly